What's going on, everybody? Mike here at Spare Change Garage. And does your freaking Oldsmobile Cutlass have a squeak to it? Well, I got your fix. Squeaky belt? No problem. I figured it out. When you delete the AC on these cars, they squeak like crazy. And a lot of people deal with the belt squeal. But guess what? I got the solution. Part number right here. Go pick this up from O'Reilly's. Take those 4 bolts, drop it down, get this belt on there. What I did is I put it back on and then had the belt kind of like in the back and turn the motor over, because it's kind of difficult to do, but this is like enough tension to cure the squeak. Other than it being open header at this moment, no belt squeak. So everybody have a great day, and I hope that this fixes your issues, because it drove me crazy. And plus my belt popped off the other day because it burned up, and yeah, it was ridiculous. But hopefully no one else encounters this. Just do that fix and you'll be good to go.